Hello and welcome to a Minooka training video. We're going to set up my Zonar MyView bus GPS tracking smartphone app. So I'm going to click sign up with email and put in my parent name and my parent email address. And I'm just going to fill in one of our email accounts here, but you'll put in your own, obviously your own password that you want for your account, and then I'm going to click register. I'm going to most likely keep push notifications to yes. All right, now I'm going to enter in my access code, which is supplied to you in the email that we sent out. All right, after I've entered in my access code, I'm going to search for my bus number. In this example, my student rides on bus 16. So I'm going to search for a bus, and I'm going to do 016 for bus 16 with the leading 0. And my student goes to the intermediate and junior high school, so I'm going to say the campus. So I'm going to monitor the bus 16 AM and PM runs at the campus. I'm not going to check the elementary runs because I don't have a student at the elementary. So I'm just going to click next. And now I have to enter in my student's ID number, first name and last initial. So we're going to pick on Adam here and his ID number. Again, your ID number will be in the email, or you can get it out of PowerSchool. All right, and let's see if I did it right. Hey, I found Adam. I can click on add another student if I have multiple students, but for this example, just doing one student, click on done. And now I need to create my first alert zone. So basically, when a bus enters the alert zone, or basically a giant circle on the map, you'll get a notification. So I'm doing the first one, which is going to pull my phone's GPS to see where I am at. So this would be recommended to do this at your house. And so you can tell here's the blue dot, and my office where I'm making this video is on Church Street in Massasoit. So I'm right here. I'm going to call this home for demonstration purposes, but you can always name it whatever you want. And I'm going to alert on both the AM and PM runs for bus 16. Again, this circle shows you all the roads that will get, when the bus goes through the road, it'll send one notification message when it's inside the circle. So I'm going to click on next. I can make the zone bigger if I'm unsure of maybe what other roads the bus actually comes down on the route, or I can go smaller as necessary. Most likely you're going to keep it defaulted to and from school and all days of the week. So I'll click on next. And then I'm basically done. I can add another alert zone if I choose to, but I'm going to hit done for right now. So fast forwarding about 24 hours, this is what your phone should look like. You'll see the bus kind of blip around the map every 30 seconds or so. It'll update, kind of like watching a Pac-Man game, if you recall that. So as it kind of blips around and enters, again, that circled area, then your phone should receive that notification message. It does take about 24 hours for any kind of change to be synchronized and working. So if you're adding your students, let's say Thursday afternoon, likely the first time it'll actually work and you'll see some activity on your smartphone will be Friday afternoon. But we're hoping to get some real good feedback from the parents and guardians using this, and to see if this is the direction we want to go for the rest of the district. So we only have this one bus working right now. So we'd love to hear your feedback. And thank you again for watching this video, and have a great rest of the day.